Hello. In this section, we are going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. That is, the denominators will be the same. For example, if you have 2/3 and you want to add 5/3, since the denominator is the same in addition or subtraction, you keep the common denominator and you add the numerators. 2 plus 5, 7. There's your answer, 7/3. If you have 7/5, and you would just love to add 4/5, here in addition, the bottoms are the same, keep it the same, add the tops. 7 plus 4 happens to be 11, the problem is over. If you have, although in each of these cases, you should verify whether or not you can reduce. If you have 13/8 and you want to take away 5/8 in subtraction, if the denominators are the same, keep it, subtract the numerator. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 8/8 is 1. Divide the same two numbers, you get 1. You have 10/7. You want to take away 5/7. In subtraction, the denominators are the same. Keep it. Subtract the numerators. 10 minus 5 is 5. The answer is 5/7. It cannot be reduced. You have 8/4. And you want to take away 6/4 in subtraction. The denominators are the same, so you keep it the same. And of course, it's not 2, it's 4. 8 take away 6 is 2, and 2 goes into both the top and bottom number. 2 goes into 2 one time, goes into 4 two times. The answer is 1/2. You have 126/27. You want to take away 72/27. Denominator is the same, keep it. Now we need to figure out what 126 minus 72 is. The answer, of course, is going to be 54. If you know your 27 times table, 27 goes into 54 two times, and it goes into 27 one time. 2/1 is 2. You have to know your times table. So many of you suffer. You'll take this course 2 and 3 times. Why? Because you don't know your times table. Well, learn your times table. You'll pass the class this time around. You will spend half your time that you've been spending for homework, because you're not going to suffer with the times table, and your grades will get much, your grades are going through the roof. Learn your times table, it won't hurt. If you have the same two numbers, whether they're whole numbers, mixed numbers, improper fractions, positive numbers, negative numbers, if you have the same two numbers and you subtract them, you get 0. There are things called negative numbers. Say, for argument's sake, -3 and -3. They're the same number. When you subtract, you find out how much bigger one number is than another number. These are the same two numbers. This is 0. Now, if you want to follow the rules that I've been telling you, in subtraction, if the denominators are the same, keep it. In this case, 2. 9 take away 9, and why? That's 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. You have 0 pieces of candy. You're going to share them between 2 people. Each person gets 0. Yeah, 13/4 We want to take away 3 over 4. Denominator is the same, keep it. In subtraction, no multiplication. In subtraction, the denominators are the same, you keep it, subtract the numerators. Well, of course, these two numbers can be reduced. 2 goes in there every even number. Possibly there was a larger number, but 2 works. 2 goes into 10 5 times, 2 goes in there 4 2 times, and it cannot be reduced more. You have 10 over 6, and you're going to add 8 over 6. In addition, let's just add 4 over 6. In addition, if the denominators are the same, keep them, and they are the same. Like I said, it's now 4 over 6. When you add 10 and 4, you get 14. But this can be reduced to 7/3. Okay, that finishes the section on adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. Add the numerators and keep the denominators. Or if it's a subtraction problem, subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator.